Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to do the comparison of the Redmi Note 6 Pro with the Huawei Y9, and we're going to do the couple of tests and let's find out who is the complete winner, if whether it is Huawei Y9 or Redmi Note 6 Pro. So watch this video till the end so you have a clear winner, who is the actual winner and which is the phone which you're going to buy in this month or in the coming months. So without wasting time, I'm your friend Manish and I'm watching Technical Chaharji, so let's get straight on the video.
So these are the two devices in front of me, and before I start the test, let me reboot it so we can have a clear winner without any preloaded apps in the RAM. So you can see a clear winner out of it, that who is the actual winner between the two devices, whether it is Huawei Y9 or whether it is Redmi Note 6 Pro with the Snapdragon 625. So I'm just rebooting my system in front of you only so we can have a clear system and a clear RAM without any preloaded apps into the RAM. So we cannot say that look, we have a preloaded app over here, and that's the reason that the one of the phone wins. So Snapdragon 636 in the Redmi Note 6 Pro, and we have in Huawei Y9 the Kirin 710 processor. So you can look over here. Let me just go to settings over here and let me just clear out the RAM more. So you can see that there's nothing preloaded app in the end. And let me just go to the settings over here. As I load the settings, you can see that the phone is almost clean and I've already stopped everything. So I've enabled the Wi-Fi in both the devices, and as you can see, so let's get started with our first test. And when I start out the first test, let me just simply open our social media websites, our YouTube app, and we will then check with a couple of the games, and we will see that who is the clear winner out of it. So let me just open the Facebook first, and here I go opening up the Facebook. So in Huawei Y9 the Facebook opens pretty much well before the in the Redmi Note 6 Pro. And let me start with the YouTube app right now. And oh, I have a pattern in the Note 6 Pro, so I will remove this pattern so we can again check that who is the winner in while opening out the social media websites, whether it is Snapdragon 636 or is the Huawei Y9. So let me just clear out the RAM. So I've cleared out the RAM and there's not any app running in the RAM right now. So let me just start again, and I'm clicking with the TikTok app. And when I open a TikTok app in the Huawei Y9, the TikTok app opens very much advanced as compared to the Redmi Note 6 Pro. So one for the Huawei Y9 for opening the TikTok app very in advance. So let me just start with the Facebook again. So Facebook, almost a millisecond difference between the Redmi Note 6 Pro and the Huawei Y9. And so not a clear winner. Let me go to the Subway Surfer. And in the Subway Surfer, the Huawei Y9 opened the front screen first, but Redmi Note 6 Pro seems to be picking up the space. And look, the Huawei Y9 opened up the game first, and the game already been started on the Huawei Y9. So again, a winner in the Huawei Y9. And let me just start with the Temple Run. And it seems that in Temple Run, the Redmi Note 6 Pro is actually a winner, because it looks like the game has been loaded first in the Redmi Note 6 Pro. So a neck-to-neck comparison you can see clearly on the screen, and we can actually play even in the Redmi Note 6 Pro while the Huawei Y9 is still loading the Temple Run. So one for the Redmi Note 6 Pro and two for the Huawei Y9. And let me go again, and let me just start with another game. And I open another game right now. So let's see who is the actual winner in this game. So it looks like the Huawei Y9 again is actual a winner in this game right now. So you can even look at the graphics. The graphics are pretty much smooth in the Huawei Y9 as compared to Redmi Note 6 Pro. Even though you can't able to see the difference, but trust me, Huawei Y9 is still loading the game faster. The Kirin 710 processor is very much fast as compared to Snapdragon 636. And let me start with the Asphalt. I think Asphalt will be okay if I test it because it seems to be a very heavy racing game and many phone doesn't support this game option over here. So let me just take it first to the common folder which I'm testing it. From there I can easily start both the games and I've posted in the folder. So let me do the same with the Redmi Note 6 Pro. So I've opened it and I'll open it here as well. So let me start with the Asphalt. I've started it. So let's see who is actually the winner. Guys, this at point of time, do comment below what do you think who will be the winner, the Redmi Note 6 Pro or the Huawei Y9 in the end results. So still loading, and Huawei Y9 seems to be the winner in loading of the Asphalt game. So I think in the racing game, even when the heavy game are played, the Huawei Y9, the latest phone, seems to be the winning in all divisions. So let me start. Oh, look at that. In Huawei Y9, we can actually start playing the game where we Redmi Note 6 Pro still lags between 1 to 2 seconds. So I think Huawei Y9 has done pretty much good in comparison to the Redmi Note 6 Pro. So Xiaomi has to think, actually now Redmi has to think whether they want to still continue with the Snapdragon 636 or they want to take it further. So let me start again with the PUBG right now. Oh, I have not been able to start the same in the Huawei Y9. So let me just start again and let me just remove from it RAM and let me just start again. Let's start with PUBG. So I'm enabling it and PUBG has been started. So let's see who is the actual the winner in both the devices because this is the game which the many users playing right now and one of the most number one game in the last quarter and seems to be in this quarter as well. So the game is still loading and I hope that in Huawei Y9 seems to be taken an advantage in loading up the PUBG and Redmi Note 6 Pro doesn't seem to be leaving behind, but in Redmi Note 6 Pro the front screen has been enabled and it seems that in Redmi Note 6 Pro the PUBG has been loaded first and we can play smoothly on Redmi Note 6 Pro and see. So the game menu has come, so 2 points for the Redmi Note 6 Pro and 4 for the Huawei Y9. So this is all the tests which we have done in this both the devices and it seems that Huawei Y9 have performed in majority of the tasks, whether it is a social media websites, whether it is your playing of the game. One or two games might have lagged, but it is just of the milliseconds. So for me, Huawei Y9 is a clear winner. And if you are comparing both the devices, I suggest you to should go for the Huawei Y9. As you can see clearly in this test, the Huawei Y9 stands clearly out of the league as compared to the Redmi Note 6 Pro. The Redmi Note 6 Pro is major problem is that is coming with the same old processor. Same processor we already seen in majority of the phones and now it's time that they should move with the Snapdragon 660. At least with the Snapdragon 660 I think it should have given a fair chance competition to Huawei Y9.
So from the couple of tests which I've done with the social media websites and with the gaming, the Huawei Y9 seems to be the clear winner, the outstanding winner when compared to the Snapdragon 636 of the Redmi Note 6 Pro. So I hope with the help of this test you have made a statement that the Huawei Y9 is the best phone when compared to the Redmi Note 6 Pro. And if you're planning to buy the Redmi Note 6 Pro, you should have been watched this video and there seems to be now again a decision making whether you should still go with the Redmi Note 6 Pro or you still want to buy the Huawei Y9. I hope you will like this test. If you like this test, give you a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because the first time I've done this kind of a comparison video. And if you subscribe and if you like, do comment below so I can still keep on making such comparison and bring it to you.